Although air travel has become more accessible to many more people in recent years, it's still a very tough experience for those with reduced mobility or physical disability. Nowadays, if a person with reduced mobility or physical disability wants to air travel, he or she must undergo several transfer procedures. To first get into the aircraft, and to then get to their seat, as well as whenever they want to go to the bathroom or once the aircraft lands, many transfers from and to an IO chair must occur. However, airline crew members who conduct the transferring procedure are often not properly trained, what increases the risk of injuries for both the passenger and the crew member. Also, because the IO chair is designed to take the least space when stored on board, it is significantly smaller, narrower, and less stable than a standard wheelchair and cannot be self-propelled. As a result, the user doesn't get to feel comfortable, safe or independent when sitting on an IO chair. Aiming to provide more autonomy for people with reduced mobility or physical disability, and to make their air travel experience more comfortable and safe, our research team developed the AutoFly-X Chair, an innovative motorized IO chair that allows the user to board, to disembark and to move within the aircraft independently, without having to rely on the airline crew members. Besides that, the AutoFly-X Chair reduces the total number of transfers needed during the whole flight to just 2, when getting in and out of the chair in the airport finger, where there's much more room than the aircraft interior, also making the transfers much easier to perform. This is possible because the AutoFly-X Chair becomes the aircraft seat itself by parking on an empty seat spot inside the aircraft. To enable the AutoFly-X Chair to maneuver within such a tight space as the aircraft aisle, we develop an innovative seat turning mechanism that allows the seat to rotate in relation to the bottom part of the chair. The maneuvering procedure and the movement throughout the aisle could both be automated using guiding lines on the aircraft floor, line following algorithms, and light and distance sensors. The parking mechanism consists of 2 parts: a rigid pin fixed underneath the chair that locks onto a docking platform fixed to the aircraft seat's trails. Because of AutoFly-X Chair's rotating mechanism, the user is able to park as well as leave the seat spot with a reduced number of movements. With this project, by providing more autonomy, safety and comfort for people with reduced mobility or physical disability, we hope to improve their life quality and social inclusion, not only making air travel less difficult for them, but also allowing those who don't even fly because of bad previous experiences to do so. Thank you very much for your attention.